In this video, you'll be making a homemade Play-Doh recipe. You will need 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt, 3/4 cup of water, a lemon, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, some sort of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon, food coloring. You can also use Kool-Aid packets. So I cut my lemon in half. I'm now going to squeeze it out into a separate container. If you don't have one of these tools, you can simply just squeeze it with your hand into a container and just make sure you get all the seeds out. I ended up using 1.5 lemons to get the amount of lemon juice that I needed. Now in a non-stick pan, you're going to add 3/4 cup of water, your 1 tablespoon of oil, the 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, now turn the stove onto low-medium heat. Add your food coloring. And again, you can also use Kool-Aid packets. Now in a separate container, you'll add your 1 cup flour and 3/4 cup salt. Mix it up. And slowly, once the water mixture is hot, add your flour and salt mixture. And start mixing it in. It's going to be a little chunky for a while, just be patient, and it'll start to kind of come together. Transfer the dough to a plate so that it can cool off. Let it cool off for a little bit, and then we will start kneading it together. Now that it's cooled off, we're just going to knead it until it is smoother and more of a Play-Doh type consistency. So I'm just folding it on top of itself, smushing it down, squeezing it with my hand until it all kind of comes together and feels smooth. Alright, so that's pretty good. It really didn't take much. It's already feeling very much like Play-Doh. It actually smells a little better than Play-Doh. I was able to make about 6 balls, so if you wanted to have a separate container for each, you could. So make sure you store your dough in a container that it doesn't dry out with a lid, or you can just have one giant ball of Play-Doh. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It was pretty easy to make. It didn't call for too many ingredients, A lot of these things you may already have in your home. Just make sure that you have a grown-up to help you when using the knife to cut the lemon and when using the stovetop.